hello guys. See this one AC is remote control now 8C. We have error code 8C. There's some problem in the upstairs. The PCB board. I will coming this upside. I will check later. Say hello guys. This PCB, this for 8C. This error code 8C. This problem the compressor driver for PCB. I remove this one after service for the company. See this PCB board for the Gree company. This eats this problem with the motherboard. The compressor driver.